So you have enjoyed the stories. So we'll have another storytelling today. So the today's story is The Greedy Bird. What is the meaning of greed? Greed means if we want anything more and more. If we are not satisfied and we want more and more, it is known as greed. So here the story is about a bird who was very greedy, and what happens to the bird at the end we will see. Okay, shall I start reading? A crow sat on a tree branch and watched a happy cat eat below him. So there was a crow sitting on the tree branch, and down the tree who was there? A cat, and the cat was very happy. The crow cawed angrily down at the cat, and the cat lazily turned one eye up towards the bird and grinned. So what happened? The crow was very angry because this cat was very happy, isn't it? So angrily it shouted. Cawed means it shouted. So shouted at the cat. And the cat, what did he do? It looked up with one eye and it also grinned. Slowly he shouted. That must be nice, the bird said. Someone gives you free food every day. So the crow is telling the cat that you're so happy and so lazily sitting. That means every day someone is giving you something to eat. No need for you to go out and search for your food. That's what the crow said to the cat. I can't complain, the cat admitted, licking its paws. So the cat was very happy. He said, yes, of course, someone is giving me food, so I'm not complaining. And it started licking its paws. Paws means legs. How about you let me come have a few bites? The crow asked. After all, it looked like the fat cat was full. So what happened? The crow was saying, how about you let me come have a few bites? So the crow is saying, okay, will you let me come down and have some food from your bowl? Let me have some bite. So why did it ask? It asked because the cat was full, its stomach was full and it was lazily sleeping. Why? The cat asked. The cat is asking, why should I allow you to eat from my bowl? I'm poor and hungry, the crow said pitifully. So the crow is saying, I'm very poor and I'm feeling very much hungry. So let me have some food from your bowl. Well, maybe you can have just a bite or two. The cat agreed. So the cat agreed and said, okay, 1 or 2 bites you can come and have from my food. Really? You won't just try to eat me? The bird asked suspiciously. So what happened? The crow was afraid because cat will catch him and eat him, isn't it? So the crow is asking, really, can I come and have some food from your bowl? But you are not going to catch me, isn't it? It is asking the cat. Why? I am full and this food doesn't have bones and feathers to worry about. Yuck, I don't want to eat something that's not delicious. So the cat is saying, why? My stomach is full. I had eaten lot of food and whatever is left is not so delicious, not so tasty. So I don't want to eat anymore. The crow wasn't convinced yet, but the crow was afraid because it knows cat will catch him and eat him. So it did not convince. Move a few steps back just in case. So what the crow is saying, okay, you move little back, then I will come and have my food. The cat yawned and moved back a step or two. The cat yawned. Yawn means when we feel sleepy, what we do? We open our mouth and we yawn. So the cat acted as if it is feeling sleepy. So it yawned and moved back. Then it sat back down to lick its fur clean again. So again it sat down and started licking his fur. The crow flew down next to the bowl and stole one piece of cat food. Okay, so what happened? Slowly the crow came down and stole. Stole means picking up one piece of food from the bowl of the cat, and then it flew away to the safety of a tree once more and munched down the food. So what did he do? It went up, it picked up a piece of food and again went up to the tree and sat on the tree and started eating down the food. See, the cat said, I'm too full to care. Have some more if you want. So the cat was very clever, saying, see, I did not do anything to you. I did not harm you, no? That means I am full. I am full of stomach. So I don't care to catch you. So you can have some more. The crow thought for a moment. The crow was thinking, what shall I do? Shall I go and eat or not? It was thinking for a moment. It was pretty good food. It was easier than hunting for bugs or worms too. So the the crow is thinking that the food is very good, it is delicious, and it is easy, because otherwise what the crow has to do, it has to fly from one place to another for the bugs and worms and then catch them and eat. But now it is getting free food. So it is thinking, instead of hunting, why can't I eat more food? Recurrently, he swooped down and got another piece. So what he did, again he came down and took one other piece from the cat's food, flying back to the tree once more to eat it. So what did he do? Again he took another piece and flew away to the tree to eat there. The crow flew down next to the bowl and stole one piece of cat food. It flew away to the safety of the tree once more and munched down the food. So again it took one more piece and it flew away because it was afraid that the cat may catch him and eat him. So again it flew away to the tree, and there it sat on the branch and started eating down the food. When the second time also the cat did not do anything, the crow came down, had one more piece from the cat food and flew away to the tree and started eating the food. See, the cat said, I'm too full to care. Have some more if you want. So the cat is saying, see, I did not do anything to you because my stomach is full. I don't want to eat any more. So if you want, you can come and have some more food from my bowl. The crow thought for a moment. It was pretty good food. It was easier than hunting for bugs or worms too. So what did the crow think? It's easy because it has to fly from one place to another and search for the bugs or worms and catch. But now it is getting the free food. Recurrently, he swooped down and got another piece, flying back to the tree once more to eat it. So again, what it did, suddenly it came down, took another piece from the bowl and flew back to the tree and ate it. The cat smiled. It's good, right? The cat smiled and said, is it good? Is it tasty? Is it delicious? A little more, please. So what did the crow say? I want to have some more food. Please, it is asking the cat. The cat stuck lazily. Why not help yourself? So the cat lazily moved here and there and then said, okay, why not come and have some more food? This time the bird flew down and ate from the edge of the bowl. It didn't fly back to the safety of his tree to eat. So what did the bird do now? Previously what he did, he took the piece and went away to the tree. On the branch it sat and it started eating. But now what happened? It felt safe that the cat is not going to catch him anymore. So it came down and sat at the edge of the bowl, and without going back, it sat there and started eating the food. The cat watched him but seemed completely happy, licking his fur. But the cat was very cunning. It was watching him but acting as if he did not see, and he was licking his fur. The crow found that he was hungrier than he thought and began to eat quickly. So what the crow thought, even though it started eating, it felt more and more hungry. And how much it ate? It felt more hungry and it started eating quickly. After he finished, the crow sighed, thank you, cat. So after he finished, the crow said thank you to the cat. That was a great meal. So it's saying very good. It's a delicious meal, delicious food. I can hardly move because I am stuffed. So the crow is saying, I have eaten so much that my stomach is full. I can't move also. And my stomach is stuffed means it is full. As soon as he finished speaking, the cat leapt on the crow and gobbled him down. So what did the cat do? As soon as he completed talking, it came and leapt on the crow, means jumped on the crow and ate the crow. It killed him and ate it. That's what I was waiting for. He smiled to himself and went back home. So the cunning cat, what he did, that's what I was waiting for. When you're full with your stomach and you can't fly, I thought of catching you, and that only happened, he thought, and he smiled to himself and went back home. This wasn't even his house, and that hadn't been his food. So that place was not the cat's place, and the food also was not the cat's one. But because of the greedy, the crow lost his life. Okay, did you understand the story? Once I will read the story to you. Slowly you listen and then answer the questions. A crow sat on a tree branch and watched a happy cat eat below him. The crow cawed angrily down at the cat, and the cat lazily turned one eye up toward the bird and grinned. "That must be nice," the bird said. "Someone gives you free food every day." "I can't complain," the cat admitted, licking his paws. "How about you let me come have a few bites?" the crow asked. After all, it looked like the fat cat was full. "Why?" the cat asked. "I'm poor and hungry," the crow said pitifully. "Well, maybe you can have just a bite or two," the cat agreed. "Really? You won't just try to eat me?" the bird asked suspiciously. "Why, I'm full and this food doesn't have bones or feathers to worry about. Yuck, I don't want to eat something that's not delicious." The crow wasn't convinced yet. "Move a few steps back, just in case." The cat yawned and moved back a step or two. Then it sat back down to lick its fur clean again. The crow flew down next to the bowl and stole one piece of cat food. It flew away to the safety on the tree once more and munched down the food. "See," the cat said, "I'm too full to care. Have some more if you want." The crow thought for a moment. It was pretty good food. It was easier than hunting for the bugs or worms too. Reluctantly, it swooped down and got another piece, flying back to the tree once more to eat it. The cat smiled. "It's good, right?" "A little more, please." The cat stuck lazily. "Why not? Help yourself." This time the bird flew down and ate from the edge of the bowl. He didn't fly back to the safety of his tree to eat. The cat watched him, but seemed completely happy licking his fur. The crow found that he was hungrier than he thought and began to eat quickly. After he finished, the crow sighed. "Thank you, cat. That was a great meal. I can hardly move because I am so stuffed." As soon as he finished speaking, the cat leapt on the crow and gobbled him down. "That's what I was waiting for." He smiled to himself and went back home. This wasn't even his home, and that hadn't been his food. So we should not be greedy because it leads to harmness. Okay, listen to the questions. Why was the crow angry when he saw the cat? Because the cat was very happy. What did the crow ask the cat? The crow asked the cat whether it could eat from his bowl. What was the cat doing when the crow flew down for food? The cat was licking his paws. He acted as if he was not interested in the crow. Did the crow like the food? Yes, the crow liked the food because it kept asking him for one more bite. At last, when the crow had its full, what happened? The cat jumped on him, leapt on him and gobbled him down. So, the lesson is that we should not be greedy. If we are greedy, we will be in loss. So, did you enjoy the story? Try to answer these questions and try to tell the story in your own words to your parents. Okay?